Alright, let's try this again. I'm just going to tuck that out of the way over there. Take this, tuck this under here, just so it's out of the way. And then I got this. Pretty sure I loosened all these, didn't I? Yeah. Yep. Sucker's noisy, eh? Take this off. Anyways, I'll just kind of put that over there. And then take this off. I just put that in there. Unplug these because I got it disconnected. And disconnect that line. Take this one off. Oh. Sometimes it can be pretty hard to get off. Alright. So now I need a pair of now when I did the transfer case in this thing, it was not fire. It was a lot of work. The whole front passenger side drive axle had to come out. Like I said, I've done quite a bit of work to this thing already. So we got to undo those two bolts too. And this probably won't fit in there, right? So let's pull this out. There's a paper towel. We'll just clean that off. Put that over here. It's cold in this garage. Right now it's about minus 10 outside or something like that. So it's a little chilly. Oh, this is a 10 mil. This one's a bit bigger. So let's see here. 10. So I think it's mostly 8 and 10s for this vehicle. Yeah, she's noisy. It's a noisy air compressor, I'll tell you that much. That's the EGR valve. So that should be loose now. We got a couple lines down here in the bottom. Try and get those out. It's cold on the fingers here though. There we go. Sometimes it's hard to do stuff, but manage. Alright. Now take off the upper intake gasket. Sorry about the air compressor. Actually, I'm going to go darn, eh? Look like an idiot there. Forgot to change the socket. I'm actually taking it off the same sequence way that you put it up on, I guess. Gotta make sure you disconnect those. I don't think this one's going all the way. Not maybe it did. disconnect. Where is that? Right here. Gotta disconnect these. And there should be another one down here. Alright. Put that up. Pretty sure I got everything there disconnected. Let's see here. There's still a couple more tight bolts there. Let's see. Something? I think I'm missing her. Oh yeah, I'm missing that one right there. Oh yeah. That one's tough to get at though. That's not good. I'm gonna have to buy one of those. Oh, let's see here. Gaskets on the bottom. I've already cleaned all this out already. I really bites that piece broke on me. I know fix that. Hey. So I need to take it off. Alright, so right here, where's that fuel pressure? No. Right here. This is for, I think it's, I can't remember what it's called. They say in the book I should disconnect it. Alright. Okie dokie, so I guess I'm going to pull those off. Hopefully rails don't have to come undone, because that's really well, one way to find out, I guess, eh? And I don't want to use a ratchet air gun in that in case they break, because that would really bite if they broke on me. Where is because this one's the one that's leaking up front, so I don't want these to break. And these bolts probably stay right in there too. Oh, looks like it comes right out. Oh, pretty long, eh? Gotta be careful. I do not. Oh, I hope that one didn't break. I'll be pissed. This is gonna be. We just don't want to break these suckers, right? One thing we don't want to do, we don't want to drop nothing down the intake there either. Fingers are cold. Heater's going in here, but still cold. Bet you gotta take that fuel rail off too. Oh, what's going on here? See if that one doesn't. What's going on with that one? That one doesn't seem to bite on that for some reason. Wonder why. I'm gonna have to use let's try a